Oh, yeah. You will stir it with your own spoon. Yes. Oh.
Maybe this?
Alright. Who wants strawberry? I was hearing some noise. Oh, ay, Asus. You okay? Help Tyler up naman ah. You okay? Halika na. Yeah. Come na. Ay, baby. Owie.
Because I'm a dragon,
Not
you have to save your life.
You know, next time you bring extra clothes pala here at Tyler. What's that?
A puppet.
A puppet, okay. Ah! Careful, baby.
It's a dragon. Wait, Tyler. My hair. Hot water.
You don't have... No, you don't need super hot. You will just make it warm. I'll be the one to pour the hot one. Okay. You can pour the cold. Okay. That what Mina did. Like this. And then you pour like that.
It's so tiny.
You try it first. And then I'll pour the warm water. Come here. More water, yeah. Okay. Alright. I'll be the one to pour the hot. Tyler, can you tell Mina to do it also? Up. Okay.
What?
Yeah. Mina wants to show you how to do it. But I think Tyler already knows.
Yeah, I know it.
Do you know? We're going to clean it.
I can clean it.
Okay. Ah, no, you don't put it back, please. Oh, yeah. You will stir it with your own... Can you give Tyler his own spoon? Yeah. We use this one. Yeah. Yes, we need to change this one because this is serving spoon. Yes.
Maybe this?
Use a plastic spoon, baby. That's still too big. Change it. Get a plastic spoon, a small one.
This one?
That one will do. Okay. Alright. Oh, this one. Yeah, I'll replace it. That's it. Okay. Who knows how to cover? Put back the cover. Do you know? Okay. Can I see? I'll hold. Okay. Good. You stir your own and drink your own. Yes. Thank you for putting it back.
What?
Thanks, Mina. Very good. Alright. Who wants strawberries?
Me.
Okay. You also? Okay, you can share. Do you need your own bowls? No? You can just share. Alright.